MTN number you are trying to call is currently switched off. Please try again later. Thank you.
What's up, guys? My name is Prince and this is Life of the CEO. If you're joining me for the first time, you're welcome to the family. Don't forget to like, subscribe and push the notification bell. Today we're going to be talking about how to make money as a student. If you're a student and you're watching this, thumbs up. If you're not a student and you're still watching it, either ways, you're still welcome to the family. So guess what? I know that a lot of us have been broke. Yes, I can testify. I have suffered brokenness, but but then am I still broke? Find out. So today we're going to be talking about 5 ways to make money as a student. So stay tuned. Number 1, exploit your opportunities. You know, most times we're in school and then there's a lot of demands based on some products. Take for instance, girls that need makeup, or in classes when there's a handout and nobody has the link to get it. You could go look for them and get them and you make money. Look for something that the whole school would need, or look for something that everybody is looking for, like something that is scarce, you know, something that is on high demand, and try and supply it. It's just a very simple way to make money. Most people are doing it, but if you know that there's something out there that is on high demand, probably your class, your lodge, anything, just look for it, get in contact with the company and try and supply it. You're gonna make money, okay? Retailing is allowed. Number 2, talent. You know, a lot of us have talent, a lot of people have talent. I've seen lots of talent in school. Very good talent, and most of them are not making use of it. If you have a talent and you know that you have a good talent and you know that this is natural, it's not something you need to work out for, stand out, come out, make money with it, okay? It's not just given to you to waste it. The truth is that the talent you have is not actually for you. It's actually there for the people that are going to get motivated by you. So it just has like 5% to do with you. Yes, you're going to profit from it financially, the fame and everything, but then people are going to rise through you. So stop keeping those people in the shadows. Come out, make money, make friends, and make a name, okay? Work on your talent.
You don't have any talent.
Do I have it? I have a talent, but I'm still yet to discover what talent I have, okay? Number 3, affiliate marketing. You know, I've seen people, my friends, that have been able to gather influence, or are called influencers in their own small way. Anybody that has friends, everybody actually has a fan base, no matter how small it is. People that watch your WhatsApp status are your fan base. People that like your Instagram post, your Facebook post, that is your fan base. But then in a situation whereby you have lots of people called your fan base and you're not using them to make money, what are you actually doing? Are you just gaining followers? Go out there, search for companies that you know that need that kind of publicity. Tell them and show them what your page looks like and make money out of it. Do that kind of thing. Are you just gaining followers just for followers' sake? Why don't you monetize your followers, okay? Find a way and maximize your social media platforms, okay? Number 4, there are a lot of people in this school doing many things who have opportunities to get anything. But guess what? You could actually just get a part-time job if it's convenient for you. If you could balance your academics with a job for a certain time, why won't you do that? Just go for it, you know, because it could actually expose you to friends, expose you to new people. You could work in a restaurant, you could work in a library, you could work anywhere around the school, you know, just to make more money. And it would actually give you the experience of interacting, because I found out that most people have issues with interacting. There's some people that can't even stand and talk like I'm talking now. As I'm talking to you, a lot of people are looking at me, but it's not easy to stand outside and talk. You could actually work in a restaurant where you could talk to people, and you know, that's if your academics allows it, but if it doesn't, find something else that suits you. So part-time job, look into that, okay? If there's one thing that I find really funny in Nigeria, or I know that almost all the families in Nigeria is doing, is that Nigerian families are very good at accumulating properties. Lots of properties that we don't know how to use, or we don't even need anymore. We accumulate and store for no good reason. Now you could actually use it to your own advantage. If it's there and it's still useful, but then your family is not using it, you guys are not using it. I didn't say you should go and steal it, though. You could take permission somehow, or just take the permission legitly and sell it. You could actually make more money from that. All these small things accumulate: broken freezers, broken fridge, broken water dispensers, broken chairs, broken beds, or something. People sell things that are broken and use them. Also sell things that are no longer being used in their family, or things that they have double or triple of. You could just take permission from your parents and sell them and make more cash. Number 6, branding. You could actually brand yourself. Left for me, one thing you could do for yourself is to get a name for yourself, and you could actually start doing that as early as your university days, because in life things get easier for you when you become more popular. When you're known for things, it actually gets easier for you, and you don't start that from like when you're done with school. It just doesn't come out of nowhere. You have to actually build the foundation. So you need to brand yourself, or you need to make a brand. Start a product or some products and brand it. Take for instance, I have a brand called PL Collection. We'll be launching our new product on Sunday. Stay tuned, okay? Try and build a brand if you're a person into branding. It's no bad thing. People have value because of the kind of things that they do, or should I say, people are respected because of the kind of value that they put out. So whatever little thing you put out now, you don't know what it's going to turn into. Take for instance, Uber. As you see, Uber today was once a company which sole motive was just to build electric cars, but then they went into private taxi driving, and Uber doesn't even have a single car. But then they still have their motive, but then the amount of money that they've made. YouTube's sole motive was an online dating app, but now we all know what YouTube is today, with all the $1 billion it has attached to itself. So you don't know what you're going to do to yourself when you brand yourself. Brand yourself, brand your passion, brand your talent, anything you have, just brand it, okay? Make a name out of it, and try to make sure nobody steals your identity. I'll see you next week Friday. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and push the notification bell. Bye. Okay guys, make I just tell you the truth, guy. If you want to hustle as a student, guy, go and pick stick, wood, firewood, and start picking. You know what I'm saying? Gather wood, can't see. I'm in a wood environment. Come now. So tell me, what would you do as a student to make money? No, don't look at me, look at the camera. What would you do as a student to make money?
I don't know.
God of Jesus. I think you should just stick to selling wood.
No.
Come out another day for that video, man. Or do you want to do it today?
I don't know.
You want to
It
do?
was just test running. Come just test running.
Bye-bye.
Are you down? If you're down, we could go for it too. Bye, baby. But come, show you.
What do you think about that girl over there? She's feeling herself too much. Like she's feeling that she's good.
Guy, we could just sell her wood, guy.
Let's sell her wood. Yes, let's sell her wood. Let's go.
There you go, I'm following you. Just come down. Be going, be going.